What's up, guys? Mark here at Wired Customs. Have some pretty good news for you guys. We now have a display with a Stinger High-10 radio here at the store. Stinger High-10, and many of you may know that I rarely call a product the best product out there. This is one product that I will tell you is the best radio out there on the market, period. Not only is it a 10-inch screen, and I'll show you here in just a minute, it has optical out with volume control. Majority, 99% of radios do not have that feature. The screen is super clear. This screen can be flush mounted in specific applications. The application I'm fixing to talk about has a flush mount kit available, and it just goes right in and it's flush, looks nice. In other applications, like right now we're working on a motorhome out there, it's not going to be a flush mount, it's going to be a surface mount. And on the surface mount, that's how a lot of these newer cars are coming. It's kind of like a floating style design. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you, one, the radio, but two, this new kit that is now available. And this kit is available for 18 to 21 Jeep Wrangler JL, which we've been waiting for years. And it's also available for the 20 to 21 Jeep Gladiator JT. 20 to 21 Jeep Gladiator JT or 18 to 21 JL. I'm gonna flip this around and let you look at the display. This is it. This is a representation of how your dash looks and how the radio would look within the Jeep. So you have your two air vents, and it is flushed in. When you purchase, when we plug in our telephone here to the USB, it will activate Apple CarPlay or activate Android Auto, whichever one that you are using. HDMI, XM, CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. It has a camera switcher built into the radio. A lot of radios do not have that function, or they'll just have a rear option or just a rear with a front option. This one has, you can trigger the left mirror to display a camera image, right mirror to display a camera image, front image, as well as the rear image. You guys are more than welcome to stop in and check it out for yourself, play with it. You can also screen mirror, you can watch movies on it. Like I stated, this is a badass radio. If you guys have any questions, visit wiredcustomsmotorsports.com, wiredcustoms.com. Find us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Google. We're out there. Thank you for watching. 682-312-8817. If you want to contact us directly, you can speak to a whomever answers the telephone, or you can ask to speak to me, Mark. Thank you.